Okay, as far as I can tell, we're up to adding and subtracting like terms. We're still in year 7. Okay, we're still doing stuff just like we did in year 7. So we'll talk about like terms, and like terms are super important in algebra. They contain the exact same pronumeral with the exact same powers. Okay, they don't really need to be in the same order. So this is kind of an important little fact that these two are like terms. Okay, they have a coefficient. 7ab and 7ba, they're the same, doesn't matter what order they're in. Okay, like terms can be combined when they're added or subtracted. So it says 3xy plus 5xy. I just add the numbers in front. 3 plus 5 is 8, and I keep the same name. I think of this thing as like a little name tag, and then I add the numbers in front and give it that name tag. Like 3 apples plus 5 apples is 8 apples. Okay? For subtraction, the sign stays in front of the term. We already talked about that, right? We talked about when we have these terms, the coefficient is -2 and -4. Okay, so they've done something here. They've said, okay, we've got an x, and I usually do it like this. I go, there's an x, and an x, and an x, and then I add up the numbers. 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 1, remember, is 2. So I get 2x. And then I do 7y and 3y and -4y. 7 and 3 give me 10, minus 4 is 6. Okay, so a little bit of practice. This one says, are 5abc and -8abc like terms? Yes. They just have to have the same letters behind them. 12xy squared and 4y squared x. Yes, this y is squared, that y is squared, and they have the same x, so yes. Are 3ab squared and 7a squared b? No. The a is squared in one instance, is not in the other. Same with the b, so no. Has to have the same letter with the same power. All right, let's simplify by combining the terms. These are all like. They all have the same letter behind them. So I add the coefficients. 7 plus 2 is 9, minus 3 is 6t. Okay. This one I have to think about a little bit. Here's my x's. 4 and 2 is 6x. 3y and 7y, both positive, 10y. Not y squared. I would have to be multiplying to get a y squared, so plain old y. Okay, let's see, 7ac. No. This is good. CA and AC, it doesn't matter which order they're in, so I'm going to do these two. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then you decide, do you want to write CA or AC? I always put it in alphabetical order. Now I've got the B's. I'm going to circle with their sign in front of them. They're all B's. So 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 5 is 2. Okay, that's the work.